Chase, Chase, I can still see you, you know. Marshall and Skye are almost done sorting their laundry. The sooner you finish, the sooner we'll go to the playground. Playground? I want to go to the playground. Well, then you better get started. But Ryder, look at this pile. I haven't even started yet. Well, then you better get going. Here's the box when you're done sorting the laundry. You can place all the clothes in there. Alright. Oh man, look at all these clothes. I really don't like sorting the laundry. Hey, I have an idea. Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help. Incy Wincy adventurers, I need help sorting this laundry. Do you want to help me? Yeah? Alright. Thank you so much. Let's sort the laundry together. Let's start with finding the matching pair of the solid blue sock. Alright, do you guys see the matching pair for the solid blue sock? Do you? You see it? Where? Right there? Oh yeah, I see it too. Good job, Incy Wincy adventurers. I'm proud of you. One pair of socks, done and done. There. Good job. Now let's get to another one. Let's find the matching pair for this striped sock. You see these lines? These are called stripes. Lots of colors on it. Do you see the matching pair for the striped sock? You do? Where? At the back? Right behind me? Okay, let me check. Oh yeah, I see it too. Good job again. In you go. Alright, here I got my favorite sock because this has a police car on it. Just like me, I have a police car too because I'm a police pup. Did you say it was right behind me? Oh yeah, that was the last pair. Hey Chase, are you almost done sorting the laundry? Almost, Ryder. We're done pairing the socks and now we gotta fold some other stuff. Good job. I can help you with that. Great. Thank you so much. I got help from Ryder and Incy Wincy adventurers. Yeah, lucky you, Chase. Thank you. Alright, let's see. This is a shirt. Hey, you wanna see a really simple technique to fold the shirt? So that next time you can fold the shirt yourself, Chase. Sure, Ryder. Show it to me. Okay, first we gotta make sure that the shirt is laying flat backwards. Then you see where the shoulder is starting from? You gotta hold the shirt from the end and bend it until the shoulder starts. Like this. And now you gotta repeat the process on the other side. Hold the end of the shirt, fold it right until where the shoulder starts. You see that? And then the last step is hold the bottom of the shirt and match it with the top. That's it. Ta-da! Your shirt over here is folded. Wow, that was simple, Ryder. I can try it next time. Okay, Chase. Now you carefully place the shirt in the laundry basket so we do not ruin our hard work. Alright, up next is belt. Belt is usually used to secure the waist of the pair of pants. We can either hang it or simply roll it. Like this. Let's fix that up and put it in the laundry basket. And this is Paw Patrol underpants. Oh, Ryder, I can take care of that. You don't show that in the public. Incy Wincy adventurers are watching. Oh, I'm sorry, Chase. You're right. I should have thought about it. Alright, let's fold this pair of pants. Fold one leg of the pants over the other and then fold it one more time in half or in thirds, depending on the space you got. And one more shirt with pirate shark, do 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 do, pirate shark, do 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 do, pirate shark, do 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 do, pirate shark. Fold away, do 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 do, done at last, do 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 do, done at last. Huh? A pink blanket? Hey, I've been looking all over for this blanket. Thank you, Ryder. Yeah, no problem, Skye. I'm almost done. Ready for the playground. Wow, that was so much fun folding and sorting the laundry this time. Thank you so much, Incy Wincy adventurers. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and help your parents fold and sort the laundry. See you next time. Bye.